Godavari Development Project, a marquee project under the Nashik Smart City Initiative. Godavari is one of the prominent locations of historical, cultural and spiritual significance. Billions of people, including tourists, visit Godavari site every year. Under Nashik Smart City Mission, Godavari Development Project provides an excellent opportunity for total rejuvenation of the area. Work has commenced on creating a beautiful and picturesque location amidst the backdrop of a riverfront. The objective is to boost local economy by promoting heritage and cultural tourism. This includes desilting of Goda River, cleaning of river using trash skimmer, installation of pneumatically operated automated mechanical gates, and construction of drains to stop the sewage entering the river. Another key aspect of the project is achieving and maintaining acceptable water quality at Ramkund and Lakshman Kund by laying water pipeline. The overall idea of the Goda project is to make maximum utilization of local resources and enhance the beauty through high degree of functionality, reducing the chances of flooding, free draining systems to avoid water clogging, increasing the water table, enhancing green cover, reducing soil erosion and rainwater harvesting are some of the basic principles on which the entire project is designed. The beautification project includes creation of a unique Goda Park covering 9,850 square meters. Goda Park will be an important part of riverfront area, which is a green-themed garden. The garden will be developed as a multi-purpose park for leisure and recreation of the visitors. Some of the key features of the Goda Park are construction of gabion wall and retaining wall wherever necessary and feasible, stone benches that transform into Goda glow ribbon at night, Deep Stambh or columns of lights, heritage walk that adds to the cultural values of the project, barefoot areas and acupressure pathway for health walks, mist platform that reduces the ambient temperature by a couple of degrees and acts as a rejuvenating area, bubble jet fountain, water cascades, reflecting pool that offers a Bordeaux mirror effect, amphitheatre for added entertainment, rock garden, children's play areas and natural glides, jetty to connect both banks of the river, open-air food junction, tree plantations and tree signages, e-toilets. Another key feature is the Ramayan circuit. The area near the Modakeshwar Mandir and at the start of the Talkuteshwar Ghats on the left bank will be developed with miniatures of the religious places in Nashik. The beautification work would cover all temples and include repair of bridges, fountains, and the steps leading to the river. Stones used for the project would be same as the existing ones, ensuring the natural look of the entire surroundings. Further, Ramkund will get a fresh new look from Victoria Bridge to Ghadge Maharaj Bridge and further to Talkuteshwar Bridge. It's a matter of time before the banks of Godavari reclaim their lost historic character and become one of the finest tourist destinations in Maharashtra.